Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and later on around 2:30, we're gonna have retail sales. So now you can see that we are on DXY. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on dollar index? Dollar index. So we can easily see that it seems like the dollar is bouncing back or it's rebounding. Why? We can easily see that we have a channel around this area. Sorry, we have an area around this zone here that shows us that we are on a support area. But beside that, we are actually on an uptrend, so which shows us that the dollar it's slowly going up. Yes, we had a very nice reversal around that level, but we expect the market to do what? To continue going even higher. Do you see that? So we expect to see the market continuing with that nice trend. And what we see here is the market just touched our support area, so which means obviously we expect to see the market reversing around that. So on other pairs like Euro USD, Gbpusd, you can see that they are actually reversing because the dollar is getting stronger. You can see here that the dollar just touched this support area and we were unable to break this support area, so which means we will see the market trying to go even higher. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So now it seems like the dollar, it will be trying to rebound or to reverse or recovering as we reach this support area. If the market breaks out, that is going to be a different story, and we'll see. Because remember, we're going to have a retail sales, which is very, very important. But the question is it going to be positive or negative? So it's up to that event, and we'll see the reaction from the dollar index. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is AUD USD. You can see that the dollar is getting stronger. You saw that on DXY. So we can see that the market is doing what? It's reversing. But where can we actually take a trade? It's actually from this area. We already drawn the zone, which is going to be a potential support for us to look for that buy, because the market just broke out here, went up, so now it's coming back aggressively, so which means around this level here is going to be a very nice area for us to look for that a nice buy. So it seems like the market is just coming back for a proper retest. The market is coming back for a proper retest before we can look for that buy. For those who wants to be part of the team, try our signals. We have free signal group. Check my description, you will find that. You can just talk to me or maybe just join the team there, a free group. So we also do send the signal in there, but don't expect much because that is free, and there is a premium group that I will share with you here. You can pause the video, you can scan the QR code if you want to talk to me. Those are VIP signals. You can see there from the top, 12-month mentorship. It's back to normal, 350. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So now we are back on CAD JPY. As we know, CAD JPY, it's been on a very nice bullish move, guys. It's been flying for quite some time, and this nice uptrend is still very, very, very strong. So the market actually reached this area of support again. So what do we expect? We expect to see what happened before, unless if maybe the market decides to break. So we see that every time once the market reaches this level of a support area, the market bounces back. That's why we have this nice buy pending order around this level, and it was a previous resistance. The market did touch, I can say the market did go closer to the support before bouncing back. So it did bounce back, but not really aggressive. So I'm expecting to see the market going even higher. Do you see that? I'm expecting to see the market continuing to go even higher. So this can be a very nice bullish move. This is a very nice structure, as we expect to see the market reversing. And this is also a nice reversal there. So that gives us a chance to say, yeah, the market did sell very nice. So now we expect to see the market rebounding or bouncing back. So that is a very good structure for us. So let's push to the next one, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been actually reversing for quite some time. Actually, it was selling, and we thought maybe the market was going to continue going down, but after this incident, Trump incident, we saw the market bouncing back aggressively. I don't know what's the link with that, but we can easily see that the market was about to go even lower, giving us that downtrend as we were breaking out of that support area. Now the market is back on that bullish move. We even reached 60k. Maybe we'll be going straight to that 70k. So the overall structure here, it still shows us that we still have enough bullish momentum, so which means there is enough room for the market to do what, to continue going even higher. Do you see that? I hope you see that. Let's push to the next one, which is Europe. On Euro USD, we can see, as we said, you saw that the dollar is gaining some momentum. We expect to see a reversal here, and it started to happen. So, but the overall structure here, it's quite straightforward. We can see that the structure, it's actually on a very nice downtrend. So we expect the market to continue like that. Yes, we know that later on we have retail sales. Maybe it's going to be positive because the structure shows us that things might look like Europe might continue to push. Euro USD might continue to go like that. But the structure already told us as we are on that nice uptrend. Then the market tried to break that level and the market failed. So now that's why we have a sell pending order, not triggered yet, but we expect to see the market continues to go down like that. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So I'm expecting a very nice sell here on Euro USD. You can even see that we also have this horizontal resistance, so we might have a nice move like that. So expect a move like that later on. Let's go to the next one, which is USD JPY. We are now smashing this one. We are already smashing this one. Quite similar to CAD JPY. The overall structure here is a very nice bullish move or a nice uptrend. So the market is moving like that. So we just touched our support area. So we expect to see the market continuing going up. You can see that on the bottom side here, we have a proper support area. You can try to draw that on your chart and you will see that, yeah, the market is still very, 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 very bullish. So this is what we have. We reached this support area. So now we expect to see a continuation of that buy. But on top here, we also have this nice resistant area. So I'm expecting a continuation of that buy. So let's hope that maybe the news are going to be positive on retail sales. Then we will see a very nice push. Already we are in a smaller profit. Already we are on a smaller profit. So but it seems like maybe today we will see a very nice push to the upside. So we did take that one. So now on gold, we have a very nice structure. The market just reached our resistance, as we've been actually on a very nice bullish move. But at the end of the day, even though we were on this nice bullish move, we are on this aggressive or a way too bigger structure where the market is just consolidating. Do you see that? So the market, you can see on top there. So on the bottom, you can see that we also have this nice touches. Those shows us that these areas are actually a very nice or a very stronger resistance. So around this area, it will depend. We might see the market reversing and going down. We can see that the dollar is quite stronger. I was expecting to see the market going down. I saw on the comment section someone said, Kenzo, Euro USD and GBP USD, they were correlating or not correlating, whatever. Guys, for those who don't really understand, is that even though Europe or Euro USD and GBP USD do correlate, remember GBP or Britain and Europe, it's not the same thing. They have their ups and downs. They have their own economic news. They have their own interest rates. So they have their own geopolitics, right? So they won't just move the same. We already saw that Europe was going down, but GBP was going up. So it's not like just because you know something that it's correlating, it's always going to stay like that. So things change. Try to keep up with the market and just update whatever that you know, because not everything is 100%. If I never saw anything that is 90% correlating. Like, I don't know, maybe I might be wrong, but Euro USD and GBP USD, they are not really 90% correlating. So check the comments, you will see. But anyways, I wanted just to update that. So they have their own thing. Remember, last month, Europe did cut the rates. GBP did not really cut, or Britain did not really cut their rates. So obviously, their strength won't be the same. Yes, they correlate, but the reason why they correlate is because they are USD pairs. They go with the US. Mostly they will react the same because they go in with the same pair. Not because maybe they are the same, you see. So I hope maybe that makes sense. So yeah, here we are still on this correlating, so not correlating, ranging structure. So there is a chance that the market can respect this area, then maybe we might have a nice sell. That's why I even placed a notification here. But if we have a breakout, that is going to be crazy. We might see the market flying so hard. But at the moment, we can just relax and wait and see what will happen. So let's just wait. I think maybe retail sales might give us something. Retail sales will give us a clue. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? Slowly, it seems like it's starting to be visible. We're starting to see that the market is now giving us a proper move. I've been just predicting these moves, and I've been telling you about this type of a move. Consolidation, break, consolidate, break, consolidate, break. Those are the type of moves that this market is going to create. You can see here we are coming from this consolidation. Here it was another one, and until we had this breakout, we did smash this move, by the way. So here the market seems to be creating a nice resistance. So we expect the market to do the same thing and continue to go even higher. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So at the moment, I'm just waiting for the market to do its thing, but I think we are at the highest level, so we might have a nice reversal before we can look for another buy, or maybe the market will break this resistance, then we can look for that buy. Simple as that. We don't really have to complicate the market, especially on that US30, because everything is just straightforward. I hope that makes sense. So on Nasdaq 100, what's happening? We can easily see that Nasdaq 100 is still on a very nice bullish move. The market is still continuing, very nice. So you can see that. The market is just going even higher. But where we are, you can see that the market just broke out of that ranging structure, and then the market did touch or did retest here. So I'm expecting to see maybe a nice push like that before we see a very nice push. But at the moment, we can't do anything because we did have a very nice trade around this level. So what we can do here, we can clear that and say, you know what, we are just waiting for the market to bounce back on this support area before we look for that buy, or maybe the market will be breaking out of that resistance area before we look for another buy. But at the moment, I think everything is just straightforward. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. For those who wants to be part of the team, just let me know. Scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me. Check my description. You will find my WhatsApp link. So thank you very much. Bye.